Hey guys, I'm so excited to show you this next porch transformation for Halloween. It's the perfect combination of buffalo check, classy patterns, awesome textures, and our favorite bats. For this porch, I'm so excited about the theme. It's Halloween, and I wanted to do it in a really classy way that didn't include too many tacky elements that are traditional for Halloween, like sparkles and things. So for this one, I wanted to combine just the traditional colors of orange and black that remind you of traditional Halloween. And it's done in a very classy way, but yet I still added elements of Halloween, which are these little bat sticks that come out of our flowers. Obviously, the flowers are gorgeous. These are actually a fall bloom, and people traditionally use mums, but I wanted to mix in something a little unexpected. My tip for incorporating layers into your porch scheme is to make sure to start low and large. So I started with some larger pumpkins, layered with smaller pumpkins, but I also added other elements. Instead of all one texture of a pumpkin, you have a really grainy pumpkin, you have a fabric pumpkin, which we have a DIY tutorial that you can make those on your own with any fabric. Then I added a couple pops of Halloween elements, and I made a custom sign at AR Workshop with my name on it, and guess what? You can paint it any color you want, stain it any color you want, and what's even better, sick of Halloween, pull out the Halloween elements and replace it with a fall sign, and you can keep the rest of your decor. To add balance, I like to layer on the other side of my doors larger pumpkins, and these are the DIY fabric pumpkins that we show on our YouTube channel. What I love about this is it combines the elements that are in the layered rug as well. We actually made this at AR Workshop, personalized with our name on it, and I love it. The kids love it. You can add your name, established date, anything you want. These layered rugs and doormat are so popular right now. And then to go against the stained door, we did a dry brush technique and created our typical door sign, adding the element of what's in the rug. Guess what? Buffalo check. Love it. So people who come up feel a true cohesive look. Don't forget to cozy up on the porch with a chunky knit blanket. Make one at AR Workshop in any color you like. We hope you've enjoyed our DIY tips for your own porch makeover. To make your own DIY decor, visit arworkshop.com to find a location near you, and be sure to subscribe to YouTube.
Thanks for watching!
That's a wrap!